all the way to simplest form.
Okay, so if your Dodge that you
Alright, what
made
questions do you have after
has
we did
loose
number 1?
parts, it's probably because you are missing something to hold the 4x1 up. I figured that I needed that because it was a situation where the front bumper kept falling off.
So,
So you'll need
I'm
something
going
that
to
can
give
hold
our
this up
answers. So we got 1, 2,
properly.
3, and 6. Back to the kids. 1, 2, 5, and 10. And the simplest form comes out to be 3/5. I think you guys can do number 2. So let's go down to the section of